Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Android Studio on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Android Studio download. So simply go to the official site of developer.android.com. That's going to redirect to the official site of Android Studio. This link I'm going to provide right on our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that latest version of Android Studio is available, that is version Android Studio Quail. So simply click on this download button. I'm going to show you these terms and conditions. You can read this, accept it, and click on download Android Studio. I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see Android Studio is already been downloaded. Just simply double click on that installer. You can minimize your download directory. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. And welcome to Android Studio setup. Click on next. Here it is telling whether you like to also download and install Android virtual device. We don't want. I think everyone is already using an Android phone, so we can directly use that Android phone to build our app. Everything I'm going to show you right on this video itself, so nothing to worry about. I highly recommend you to uncheck this. That will unnecessarily going to take up lot of space on our drive and also going to make our system slow. We don't want that. We are already using an Android phone. We are going to test our app right on our Android phone itself. So uncheck that and click on next. Click on next again and hit install. That's going to immediately start installing our Android Studio. And there you go. You can see that our Android Studio is not actually installed. Just then click on next and click on finish. That's going to start launching our Android Studio. And then welcome to Android Studio. Here just simply click on next. And here in install type, I highly recommend to go with custom installation. And click on next. Here like I showed you, you have to uncheck this Android virtual device along with performance as well. We don't need any emulator or any Android virtual device. So just uncheck these two options and click on next. Here also click on next. And this is license agreement. You must read it, accept it and click on next. And it's going to immediately start downloading all the components. So it's going to take some time. You need to have active internet connection during this installation. You can see that it is rightly done. So our Android SDK is up to date. Just simply click on finish. And you can see that our Android Studio Quail is rightly started opening. And there it is. Welcome to Android Studio. You can maximize this. Now let's see how I can start creating a project. So click on this plus icon to create a new project. Here let's go ahead with empty activity and click on next. Here you need to provide your application name. I'll give my application name as welcome to Android. You can give any name you want. This is going to be our package folder, and minimum SDK you can see is API 28, that is Android version 9. And you can see that it's going to support about 95.3% of the devices, which is decent. So go ahead with that and click on finish. That's going to start creating our project welcome to Android. So it's going to take some time to load all of its components, then importing Gradle and all that. It's going to also download some of the packages from internet. So you need to have active internet connection while launching this project. You can see currently Gradle project is in sync. So it's going to take some time. And there you go. You can see finally it is done. So you can expand this app and you will get a Kotlin plus Java folder. So you can expand that as well, and you can expand this package and you will get this main activity.kt. So that exact file is opened over here. And now I'm going to show you how to run this project right on your Android phone. So for that, first you need to click on these node devices, and that will show you these paired devices using Wi-Fi. So we're going to use our Wi-Fi to connect with our phone and laptop over the same network. So click on these paired devices over Wi-Fi, and here is our QR code. Now let's jump onto our Android phone and go to settings and click on my phone. Then scroll down a little, you will get version info. Go there and you will get build number over here. So keep on clicking this build number. So see, 3 steps away from being a developer, 2 steps away, one step away from being a developer, and finally you are a developer. So you need to confirm by putting your pattern, and now you are a developer. Next you need to go back and scroll down. You will get system, open that, and scroll down again, and you will get developer options over here. So go inside. See, now you have developer options enabled. Next step that you need to do is you need to enable this wireless debugging. So enable that. Always allow on this network. Click on allow, and it is rightly done now. Next thing that you need to check is your phone and your laptop must be connected over same network. Once you have that, next you need to press and hold this wireless debugging. That's going to show you this screen. Here to proceed with pair devices with QR code. And use the scanner to scan this QR code, so it's going to immediately start pairing your device. See, it's rightly started to connect to that device. And there you go. It is connected. Success. Just simply click on close. And here is our devices also rightly recognized. Now all you need to do is to click on this run button. It's going to immediately start building our application and going to install it on our Android phone. So our building is completed. It started installing our application on our phone. And here is our application. Hello Android, launched on our phone. So if you update something on your code, so like for this name variable, if you update instead of hello Android, if you make hello Geeky script subscriber and click on this rerun button, it's going to install our app again on our phone and going to show you hello Geeky script subscriber. So whatever you have written, so that's going to show you on your phone, and you are going to see that application installed on your phone just like any other app. Similarly, I have built one more application called this quiz app. This is just a basic demonstration of application that you can create on Android Studio. This is just a basic quiz app. So what is the capital of France? You give Paris. Then which planet is known as a red planet? Again, it is Mars. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? So it is William Shakespeare. So you can see correct. Then what is the boiling point of water? Again, it's 100. But I'm going to give another answer so that it shows incorrect. So you can see it is wrong, and my score it shows 3 out of 4. So this type of applications or even much more better application you can obviously create using Android Studio, and you can run that on your Android phone. So that's how you install Android Studio and you can start working on your Android projects. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you want to learn more about Android and Android programming, I highly recommend you to visit our website geekyscript.com. So here just simply search with Android, click on search, and you can see all these different tutorials are available for completely free, like Android development with Kotlin, UI design with Kotlin, React Native, all that. So you can open any of that and you can directly start reading and completing all these courses again for completely free. So do check all these different tutorials that I have created. I am sure you are going to love them. And if you want to contribute, you can contribute us by buying a coffee. That really helps to continue making videos on our channel. And if you are into other programming and want to learn more about data structure and algorithm, I highly recommend to visit our interactive labs. So for example, if I go to single linked list, we have the single linked list simulator. So with that, you can actually perform insertion of any value to any node. Like if you want to prepend, you can see it's going to give live demonstration. Node 45 is added. Similar way, let's add something. At the append, you can see it's added right at the end. Like that, we have all these different interactive labs you can see. So let's open binary tree. We have this binary tree visualizer. Again, you can check the in-order traversal, then pre-order traversal, along with the code as well. You can see for all these different languages of Python, Java, C++, JavaScript and all that. So do check these tutorials and our interactive lab on geekyscript.com. I'm sure you're going to love them. So all these for completely free. Right. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.